besties, welcome back to Down for Glam. My name is Gigi, and today we are working with my non-dominant hand. Now I do know this video is coming up to you guys pretty late on Friday night, but I had kind of a crazy day and I didn't sleep correctly, and actually for a few days I've not slept correctly, so excuse me, I just could not seem to get it together. So, but we are getting this up on Friday, so as you watch this, let me wish you a wonderful weekend. I hope it's fabulous and that you do lots of things that you want to do and get all the things done that you need to do. Now, what I'm doing here is putting some of that Modelones glitter gel, and this is called Tiffany Pink, I want to say it's called. And I'm going to go ahead and encapsulate that with some Enail Couture. This is my first time putting these two products together, so we will see how they wear together. The other three nails that you see done. Oh, I just dropped you a little bit. Sorry about that. I hope that wasn't really loud. The other three nails that you see, those are built with the Eternal Beige by the Enail Couture, and I did that off camera because it gets so repetitive. You guys don't want to see me build nail after nail. Nobody would watch that, so I don't want to bore you. Oh, we got a little blurry there. My goodness, camera, what are you doing? I think the glitter confuses it, really. So as you can see, we don't have anything on the other hand. I am holding that upside down, and then we cured it up for about 20 seconds. Now I'm giving it a little pinch and using this little lamp to cure it into place. And actually my friend gave me this lamp in that gift, and I forgot to mention that. Now that was cured after that for a full 60 seconds. Now I have a thin layer built on the thumb, and we're gonna go in with that Modelones gray in the solid cream gels. Solid cream gels, yeah, I can speak. Ooh, and I'm just gonna feather that up a little so it's not too dark, because I'm gonna do a glitter fade on top of that, so it doesn't have to be perfect right there. It's not gonna show. You're not gonna see that at all. And then we're using that same Tiffany Pink to come in and do the glitter fade on that. Hold on, I know the number on this one too. It's number 4, Tiffany Pink. That is so pretty. That's the rose gold one. I love how the holographic in there just pops, right? It's so, so pretty. And that Eternal Beige is a really nice background for that. So on Monday's video, you're going to see me do the other hand, and it's going to be a different look. So definitely get subscribed so that you don't miss that one. And then of course, when we do the giveaway, you won't miss the video announcing that as well. Okay, now that's all cured up. And I'm pretty sure I encapsulated that off camera, and I've done all of the filing and a good chunk of the polishing. Now we're coming back in to do second coats, and I'm doing an ombre on that middle finger. And I'm just using, that's a little brush, if you can see, that I cut about 2/3 of the bristles off, a little bit at a time, to make it super feathery so that I would be able to use it for ombres, and it works really well. And now I'm just using some of the clear Enail Couture to attach some of these Swarovski crystals that we got from these, the haul video the other day. And we are using the rose crystals from the Ruby and Rose set that I got. And I'm just putting a nice little dollop down that I think will be the right size for the gems that I'm choosing. And I did get a little string there, so I'm just removing that with some alcohol so it doesn't cure in a weird way, because you don't want that. And you just want to make sure you have enough gel so that it really sinks into it and kind of makes a little seal around the outside of the crystal, but make sure you don't get anything on top. I know you know that, but you can't help but to obsessively say it, right? We're also going to grab some tiny little silver beads and put those in there too, so they look a little bit like jewelry settings. You know what I mean. I like that look a lot. There we go. I'm adding some little dots just to make sure I've got enough gel there. Those two that are sitting there on the paper towel, those are the bigger ones, and I tried those first, but I really didn't like the way it looked, so I popped those out and went again. We're just cleaning up that nail a little bit. And we are actually going to add 2 more stones and 2 more, actually 4 more of those little beads, of those little silver beads. And of course, we're going to top coat around all of those, making sure that you butt up to, and you can go over those little beads, but not over the top of the crystals. But you really want to butt up to that edge that goes all the way around in a circle, so that it really, like, when it almost shrink wraps around it, right? I'm still trying to get my shrink wrapping down pat. I love how those shine. Look at that. Oh my goodness. They are so, so pretty. Sorry, I dipped out of camera frame just a tiny bit there, but I am just popping those into the little corners, as you can see. And then we're going to cure this all up and make it stick. And then we're going to come in with that top coat. Excuse me. And that top coat is the Enail Couture Wonder Gel. I'm just getting up in those crannies, and I'm getting a little on my skin, but we will absolutely clean that up. Don't you worry. But you want to be more careful than that, okay? Let me just say. Be a little more careful than your girl, okay? All right, we are quickly coming to the end of this video, so let me just say thank you so much for watching. I hope you had a fabulous week and that your weekend is even more amazing. If you liked this set, let me know in the comment section below. If you didn't like it, please let me know in the comment section below. Oh, there's that glitter top coat shine. Oh, baby, it's gonna be mine. I don't know. That came to head. What are you gonna say? Came to my head. I love that glitter fade. It came out so cute, and so did that ombre. And here they are, completed set, although I don't think I show you the thumb. But there's some reveal shots coming up, so stay tuned for those. We will see you Monday for the other hand. And again, I hope you have a fabulous weekend. Mwah! Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.